What's that?
What do you think? Where's Zippity this morning?
Car.
On your car?
Well, you want to check it out? Go check it out. It's yours.
What do you think?
She's overwhelmed.
Is that the coolest thing you've ever seen?
Go check it out. Look it over.
You want to go for a little spin?
You know, it runs, it moves.
Hey, you didn't have this.
What are those?
Yeah, they're Velcro. You just slap them on.
Like little toys.
Yeah, there's little doors.
Love it.
You love it? Safety first.
Like,
It's pretty cool, huh?
Oh,
Nice.
What do you think? You gotta figure out how to make it go.
What would you push to make it go?
Is there a gas pedal? When you went to stop, you let up at the
Look at her face.
Whoa, baby. Right over
the
here.
bottom.
Drive
Yeah.
up here.
Alright, we'll just take you in the garage and do some loops.
Cool.
Is that?
amazing?
What do you say to Grammy and Kathy for the amazing Christmas present?
Thank you.
Does it have a horn?
No horn, but it has a radio that works.
Yeah, I think
Well, maybe it needs batteries.
no, there's got batteries in it.